this is the makeup look that I'm going to be doing. It's a super simple makeup look, but it looks really good on all skin tones. It looks like you took your time. I used 3 shades on my eyeshadow and that's it. I used a bronzer and a blush for the crease. If you guys want to see how to achieve this look, please go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna show you guys like the super easiest makeup look that you could ever do, but it still looks bomb. And then I'm just going to go in with the bronzer. I'm going to go with the one that I usually always use. It's the MAC Deepest Deep. Just go with that one. It's just a small eyeshadow palette with the blush and a bronzer. I'm going to go in with this blush, mauve color. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place color Alexandria 650. This foundation does oxidize. I didn't mention that in the video regarding this foundation. It does totally oxidize. It's super full coverage. I actually really liked it. I probably just didn't like the fact that it oxidized, but it does a pretty good job at covering all my acne, and I have really bad scars. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my favorite right now, the e.l.f. Hydro Camo. I like this better than the Born This Way. I know, don't come for me, but I really do. Maybe because I'm so dry. That one's probably number 1, my Tarte one, because it works so well. The Shape Tape one, I know everybody's a big fan of it, but I could not do it. It was way too dry for my face, like way. Naked Skin shape shifter, and I'm gonna use the bronzers. I'm probably gonna cream contour. I'm going to use my bronzer. Bronze up my skin. Kylie Cosmetics. Wait, that didn't work that. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with a super old one. Doesn't even have a lid on it anymore. But the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. You see that? Now I'm going to finish off my eyes. Now, I feel like this is like a must in this look. Like, this is what's gonna pull it all together. Grab one of the most shimmery shades that you have. I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Citron or Citron. I'm not sure. It's this no, it's more like of a peachy, like a rose gold color. Now, me personally, this is too pink for me. I want something really gold. My Never Failed Wet n Wild Beta highlighter, and you see this is just, and also I like doing the brow bone. Especially in the summer. This is such a nice pretty glow. Blush and a contour. So I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush on top of my, more blush on top of my blush. Say Beverly Hills Stripped. To fix my hair, I'll be right back. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification to be notified every time I do post a video. And comment down below any other makeup looks, any other video ideas, any other things that you guys want to see on my channel. And I hope you guys try out this makeup look. Please tag me in it if you do. I really would like to see it. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye!